Give you guys a 360. Good morning, good morning. Hi. 26-month lock update. All right, here it's done. I pulled it back. Remember when I was telling you guys about, right here, telling you about that? So I got this new essential oil from doTERRA. It's called Copaiba. I don't know. Anyway, it says it's good for skin blemishes. So I put it on there and we will see what happened. But yeah. All right, just braided it up as normal. I'm gonna do a retwist soon, but I didn't feel like doing it today. So I'll do it soon and I will show you guys. All right, so I've been braided up since Wednesday. Taking them down now. And I actually like it to be a little loose. I'm not really going anywhere today. So I'm gonna just still take it down though. So hopefully like the waves can fall a little bit, so. I took the rubber bands out last night before I went to bed so that I would not have to do it in the morning. Next morning, I told you guys that I would, I let it out yesterday. I took it down yesterday, didn't do anything. And now today, and here we go. What can I say for 26 months? The same thing I say every month. No, but it's, everything is still going well. What's surprising me is that I'm not retwisting as much as I thought I would. I know this is like a freeform journey, but I don't know. I guess I felt like I was gonna be retwisting a little bit more, and I'm not, and I'm okay with it. I got my rose water glycerin, of course. I'll just do a little bit. That is it. All right. Let me give you guys a 360. So just as I was saying before, it seems like a lot of these updates they sound the same, but I think hopefully everyone will get something out of it. So that's why I do it. But yeah, 26 months going well. And that's about it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.